8 weeks ago, my kids didn't know what the word profit was. And now they run their own shop, set the prices, made the signs, handle the money, and count the profit into their 3 jars. This is the finale of our little entrepreneur series, and the big word is entrepreneur. The person who starts and runs their own business. That's them now. Here's market day. Entrepreneur, our final big word and the biggest one of all. An entrepreneur is a person who starts and runs their own business, and after 8 weeks, that word describes my kids. Let's count what they know now. Trade, giving something to get something you want more. Profit, what's left after you pay for what you sold. Demand, how many people want a thing right now. Expenses, every cost, not just the toy. Income, money coming in, and smart money gets split 3 ways. Invest, putting your money to work. Marketing, helping the right people find your thing. 8 weeks ago, those were just words. This week, they used every single one, because for the finale, they each ran their own real shop, Family Market Day. They picked what to sell, set their own prices, made their own signs, that's marketing, handled real money at their own table, and then sat down afterward and did the math that every business owner on earth does. Money in minus expenses equals profit. Then straight into the 3 jars. And afterward, I asked them the question real business owners ask themselves every single day. What was hard, and what would you do differently next time? Their answers told me everything. They weren't playing store anymore. They were thinking like owners. 8 weeks ago, my kids didn't know what profit was. Today, they ran their own shops. And the best part? This isn't the end. The cycle just keeps going. Spot a trend, invest, market it, sell it, count it, split it. That's not a school lesson anymore. That's how our family does business, together. Wow, what a series. Trade, profit, demand, expenses, income, invest, marketing, and now entrepreneur. If your family runs Market Day, I genuinely want to hear everything from you. Please tell us down in the comments. This isn't the end. This is the first of many cycles. Thank you for learning with us. See you at the chalkboard.